Okay, cheers from Ed at Antique Toys. This is the Marz auctions catalog. That's also done in affiliation with myself, Ed Sanford, and AntiqueToys.com. Just want to give people an idea of what beautiful work our staff did on the cataloging. The May the 4th, 2024 event, spring premiere, and it gives two reach out email addresses of toys at AntiqueToys.com and oldtoys1960.com. And we're always interested in consignments like this. It ends up being about 68 pages, which is quite large. The photographs in it are going to be bigger next time. We got some feedback from people, and I agree, but you know, always getting better, always getting better. Like, here's some nice boxed deluxe Strauss with driver. Good looking Sears truck right here. And we had some really outstanding French German toys. Rosignol's, G&K, Hispano Suiza, and here was one of the highlights, the Chaff Chaff Diplomat car, as well as Pinard. Okay, in these particular lots, there was a lot of fireworks with the immense Spanish car, the Citroen, which was original, the Marklin style, which was the blonde dot. These went for tens of thousands, practically. And then this very, very large Pinard. That was the highlight. I believe it went for $22,000 and absolutely blew out the estimate because we had the right people wanting it, and it was one of maybe two that have been documented. Okay, so please keep us in mind. Marz Auctions, AntiqueToys.com. We are consigning wonderful quality items and helping our people out. We enjoy working with people around the world on some of the most interesting toys out there, the highest quality. And we're also specialists in handling estates with dignity. So please contact us, toys at AntiqueToys.com, Ed Sanford, as well as check out MarzAuctions.com and Bruce's contact information. Take care.